In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to upload music to DistroKid using a new artist name. First, log into your DistroKid account and start a new upload by choosing whether you are releasing a single, EP, or album. In the artist band name field, enter your new artist name exactly as you want it to appear on streaming platforms. If it's a brand new name, stores like Spotify and Apple Music will automatically create a new artist profile for you. Next, upload your audio file, add your original cover artwork, and fill in your song details, including the title, genre, language, songwriter information, and release date. Then choose the streaming platforms where you want your music to be distributed, such as Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, and Amazon Music. Before submitting, review all that information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then click Submit. DistroKid will process your release and deliver it to the selected platforms. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.